Lemon Giggles.
Welcome to another day of a random blind bag basket. Let's see how many we're going to open. I think I'm going to pick the first one. 3. Okay guys, I know you can't see how full the basket is, but it is going to overflow when I stick my hand in there. I just refilled it with some awesome new blind bags and boxes. Shopkins Season 8. Splashlings Wave 2. Happy Places. I think I'm going to open the Splashlings first. It's Kimmy Koi. Look at that. Cute. And Petey Parrot. Look at that sweet little face. Cute. Alright, Shopkins Happy Places. Oh, and a pretty yellow tile. It's a TV. Cute. And we have a DVD player. And a little DVD. How awesome is that? And then there's a little DVD case, so we could take the DVD out and put it in here. Awesome. Those are super adorable petkins. Now let's open Shopkins Season 8. In our twin room, it's Senorita's shoe. Look how sparkly. Awesome. And pepperoni pizza. I love the slice that's coming out. It looks all ooey gooey and cheesy. Alright, I think my favorite is going to be the Petkins. I especially love the little TV. Cute, cute, cute. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss an episode of the Random Blind Bag Basket. I will see you in the next video.